Healthy food always starts with trust. Our vision is to ensure safe, pure, and trustworthy food for every citizen using affordable AI technology. Our mission is to empower consumers, traders, and government authorities with instant, on-the-spot adulteration detection through mobile-based machine learning solutions. The hidden danger in your dal is adulteration. Farmers lose fair value, consumers risk serious health problems, and trust in the food supply chain is damaged. Manual detection methods catch less than 40% of adulterants, and laboratory testing is slow and expensive. Every day, millions of households trust Tod Dal for nutrition, but adulteration with toxic Khesari Dal puts that trust, and public health are at risk. Food adulteration is a serious issue affecting consumer health and food safety. Tod Dal is often mixed with Khesari Dal, a cheaper substitute that contains harmful neurotoxins and may cause serious health problems. To solve this issue, we developed a mobile-based adulteration detection system using AI. This allows users to capture or upload an image of a Tod Dal sample using their smartphone camera. I place the dal sample on a plain background and capture the image. Once the image is captured, the system performs image pre-processing, removes noise, enhances clarity, and segments each grain individually. After segmentation, important features such as size, shape, color, and texture are extracted from each grain. Our trained machine learning model classifies every grain as either pure tur dal or adulterant Khesari Dal and any others. Our proposed solution is a mobile-based AI system that detects Tod Dal adulteration in real time using smartphone images, computer vision, and machine learning. The system calculates the adulteration percentage and also identifies visible impurities. It is fast, accurate, scalable, and cost-effective, delivering instant quality reports while reducing manual effort and improving food safety. On the left is pure tur dal, and on the right is Khesari Dal. Although they appear visually similar, subtle differences exist in grain shape, texture, and color distribution. They look almost the same, right? That's why many people cannot detect adulteration by just looking at it. Because these differences are not easily visible to the human eye, we use machine learning and image processing techniques to accurately detect and classify them. Now the system calculates the adulteration percentage based on the classified dals. Here we can see the total dal count, adulterant dal count, and the final purity status. If the adulteration percentage crosses the threshold, the system clearly indicates that the sample is adulterated. This solution is portable, affordable, and easy to use. It empowers consumers, shopkeepers, and inspectors to verify food purity instantly using just a smartphone.